In class 7th student, so we were on the chapter number 5 of computer, and let us continue. So we were discussing the topic creating a chart, and we were on the point there is in case there is no detail at the chart title in label etc in the selected range, we can go to the layout and insert the required field as well. Now if there is no change, if there is no detail on the chart title in the labels or the selected range, we can go to the large tab layout and select the inserted required like this way. Now you can right click on the chart and change the data range by going to select the data from the shortcut menu. You can also change the data. You can change the data range by selecting the data from the shortcut menu, and it will help you. When you will change the data correspondingly, the chart value will also get changed. Now selected data source dialog box will appear. When you will click this data source dialog box will appear. Click on OK and make the changes. Whatever change you have made, just click OK. As you will make change in the data, the corresponding change you will make in the chart also. Okay. Now next topic is class adding a chart title. Now you have created a chart and you want to add a title to it. How we are going to do it? Click on the layout tab and go to chart title option, the label group. Just click on the layout tab, go to chart title option, the label group. You can now see a list of options for placing a chart title. There are list of options are there for placing the chart title. Select the centered overlay title or the above chart option. Select the centered overlay title or above chart option. A chart title box text box will appear now in this way. Add this sort above the chart. Now you want to add the title above the chart, centered, or where you want. After where you can input the text. Now you can just write the title whatever you want to give. After you have given the title, click outside the chart. When you have given the title, you have typed the title heading, just click outside the chart, and in this way your title will be saved. Now formatting a chart. We can improve the appearance of the chart by formatting it. We can improve the appearance of the chart by formatting it. We can add title, change the text, font, border style, white color, data series, legend, etc. in the chart. We can also change the number on the value axis, show or hide grid lines and so on. We can also make the certain changes in the chart like border, changing the text, font, color, legend, etc. Now first of all, how to change the background color and pattern. How we are going to change the background color and pattern of the chart. A chart can be modified by changing its color, pattern and background. We can modify the chart by changing color, pattern, background. You can follow the given step. Right click on the plot area and open the format plot area. The plot area dialog box will come. When you will do this, format plot area dialog box will come. Select the border style, border color, shadow. Now you can select from the different options. Different options are given here. You can select the style, color, shadow, etc. Open the fill tab and choose a solid fill radio button. Now open the fill tab and you can choose the solid fill radio button. Click on the color button and choose the desired color from the drop down option. Different color option will be there and you can select any color from the desired one. Click on the close button once you have done and observe the change. Click on the close button and observe the change you have done. Now in this way you will be able to change the color. Now formatting a legend. How you are going to change the legend? A legend can be defined as a box for which identify the pattern or color assigned to the data series. What is legend? Legend is just like a box which identify the pattern or color assigned to a data series. You must have used this thing in your map. You have drawn map in your social science work, and you have also shown, suppose you have showing map dotted line with coniferous tree, coniferous forest, and arrow for deciduous forest, and a small circle for tropical forest. You must have drawn this sort of in your work in your map. Similarly, thing is there legend in your chart. This way a user can easily understand the data represented in the chart. The legend appears on the right of the chart by default. Now the legend which appears on the right of the chart by default, but there are 6 different options available to place them. You can place them as per the sequence. Okay, how you are going to do it? Right click on the legend boundary and click on format legend option. Right click on legend boundary, click on format legend option. You can also just double click on the legend option. Format legend dialog box will appear. Open the border style tab and click on dash type drop down list. Now this sort of drop down list will be there in front of you. Select any style of your choice. Select any style of your choice. Specify the width by clicking the spinner arrow. Now you can also specify the width this arrow is there. Select the border color of the left hand side and pane and choose the solid line radio button. You can specify the border color here from also. Choose the color of your choice by clicking on the color drop down menu. In order to position the legend at the bottom of the chart, select the legend option from the left pane and choose bottom radio button in the displayed list. Click on close button and legend will be placed on the bottom of the chart. Now click on the close button and the legend will be appear on the bottom of the chart. Now just next is changing the scale of value axis. You can also change the scale of value axis. The side of the chart which contain the value according to which a chart is plotted is known as an axis. What is axis? The side of the chart which contain the value according to which a chart is plotted is known as axis. When we create a bar chart or a column chart, they have an x-axis and y-axis. When we create a bar chart or a column chart, they have x-axis and y-axis. The scale in these cases can be customized in order to meet our requirement. The scales are there which can be customized in order to meet our requirement. You can follow the given step. Bring the mouse pointer to the y-axis and right click on it. Just bring the mouse pointer over y-axis, click on it. Open the format axis option and format axis dialog box will appear. When you will open the format axis option, the format axis dialog box will appear. Select the axis option tab and click on the fixed option for minimum and input 20 in the text box. Just select the axis option and click on the fixed option for minimum and input 20 in the text box. In the same way, enter 200 in the maximum text box and click OK button. The chart will now display the range between 20 and 200. Class, you can consider this thing when you draw the graph in your maths work. So you must have written the scale that from where you are starting and from where you are terminating, like 0 to 10, 20, 30. This same thing is there in this chart also. We are changing the scale of the value axis. Thanks a lot for this class.